In this video, I'll show you how to use Python code in Replit. The first thing you need to do is look on the left side of your dashboard and click on the Explore More button. Expand the menu and then click on Developer Frameworks. Once you open it, you'll see a list of different programming languages. Find Python in the list and click on it. Then click on Remix to start a new project. Here you can choose the name of your Python project and set the privacy. You can make it public so anyone can view and fork your app, or choose private if you have a paid plan. I'll keep mine public. After that, click on Use Framework. Replit will start setting up your new Python environment. Wait a few moments while the system loads. Once it's ready, you'll see the workspace with your files on the right side. Click on Open Files in the top right corner. You'll notice a few default files already included. Now, click on the file named main.py. This is your main Python file where you can write or paste your code. For example, I'll add a simple program that asks for two numbers and prints their sum. Once you've added your code, look at the top left corner and click the green arrow button to run Replit entry point. Before running, you can drag the console window from the bottom or side to make it easier to see your input and output together. Then click the green arrow again to run your code. Now you can enter the first and second number, and it will display the sum directly in the console. As you can see, our Python code works perfectly. The entry point for your project is the main.py file, which runs your code each time you click Run. And that's it. That's how you can write and run Python code in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more simple and practical tech guides.